Good morning, dear traders. Here one more time, Eric Munoz in Lion Bull Academy. I hope everybody is fine. Today is Saturday. We have a little bit of relax now from the market, Saturday and Sunday, ready for the next week with power and try to make more profit this next week. So I today want to talking about the portfolio of Lion Bull Academy, what is happening this last week, what we're gonna do in next, what how is going everything, especially this video for followers and subscribers and for copiers, the most really for copiers, for they know where are they putting their money and they have completely access to all the information on what is happening with their money. I think it's very important to know that one. And for the copiers who just want to learn how I invest, you can see here clearly everything. In the future, I'm gonna make more detailed this kind of video, but gonna be the detailed version for the members that gonna start in YouTube. I'm gonna be membership in YouTube, start from €2.50 a month till €50 a month, depends which kind of member you want to be. I just do this membership because many person now always give me some money in PayPal, some donation, and I think I want to pay back this donation by create this membership like this. They already make me donation a monthly, really. Someone's very kind from their side. I really appreciate what they are doing. They really support a lot this community, and I want to give it back by this kind. And I think it's more easy to do it in YouTube, the membership. So with some extra videos, with some PDF, with all what I do it in the portfolio, explain why I do it and why I chose the companies. So a lot more detail. Remember, here in the channel, everything gonna be always for free. All you're gonna have all the information I show you here in the videos. And extra, if you want this more, you can live in without that. Believe me, you can quietly trading without need to know all the other stuff I do. It just is an extra that I want to give it to the people who support me also financially, because I really appreciate so much care they take of me, and I really wanted to give it something back. So for the membership, I will make a video about membership after. Still not ready all the information I want to give it, but they're gonna have access to the new books I make it, to the Lion Bull magazine, to the extra videos with courses, to special group classes that we're gonna make together, group webinars, to all the stocks and ETF that I am buying and selling in the moment. They can see what I am doing without no waiting no 1 second. Gonna come in immediately in a special Telegram channel also. But remember, this is extra stuff. If you want everything for free, here you have all for free. You all that extra information really don't need it. Of course, it's nice to have it, but it's not gonna be a really a change in your trading. Don't gonna change too much your trading. All what I give you here for free, it's what really matter. Um, if you have question, don't forget. If you want a private class or something, I always are willing to do it also for free. I don't ask him money also for that. You remember I take money by affiliation with Etoro, so don't worry about that. I try to give everything for free. I make money, I already say you, by affiliation, by my trading, by YouTube, by selling books, and now by membership if somebody want to help in also like this. But here is always for free everything. I always will be available for everybody, any question they have it. And if you ask me, oh, why you enter in this position, I will also answer. I don't gonna keep this like a secret. No, I will always be transparent. So let's now start with us portfolio and looking what is happening. So let's look in statistic first. Here is writing we are now in the 22.36%. If you remember last week video, we was in the 36 or 38% profit, and still is left at 4.60% that need to come in, I think, the middle of this day. So we are actually at 26% profit. We lost at 10%, and why is happening that, I'm gonna explain you in a moment. What is happening? We are still in open position with TRXC. It's up now at 67.38%. Last week was up 100 something percent, so that's what is happening. CRBP is up at 63.99%. last week was up 120, 160%, really a lot. And then we have ESTH that is up 8.58%. That's great because was coming the earning the other day and was not so good one. Not bad, but not so good one. And in the pre-market was very down. We're talking around the level of 50 again. And the good news was after open the market just skyrocketed up again and we are up of 8.58%. So new players coming in and buy the stock. Then we bought new one the other day. I already was comment in my Telegram group and in the video of yesterday that I go inside of DFEN. Is aerospace and daily aerospace defense bull 3x ETF. I just bought and already we are up of 4.23%. It's only the 4.46% of portfolio. It means $100. It's not too much. But you remember we have a small account here and we need to do it with head. I just want to show you that with a small account you also can make money. Of course, you don't gonna be rich tomorrow, but in the long run you will. So now we have Vxlt. Vxlt, we have the 15.60% and is the bad guy of the situation. He is minus 17.90%. I still keep him because I am waiting the result from the phase 2 of the vaccine. If it succeed, probably gonna skyrocket and this gonna be just a bad dream. If not, and falling down a little bit more, already will be not interesting for me, the company, and I will close with some losses. Nothing to be worried about. It's completely normal when the company don't do what you're waiting. It's really a high volatile stock. Maybe if I arrive to my mental stop loss, I will close it. So now let's look in numbers because I know you like to look in what I do it exactly with the money I have it. So TRXC we have invested $250, is up 168.45, is mean a 67.38. CRBP we have invested $300, is up 191.96, is mean 63.99%. They have EHTH up we buy $300 and is up $25.74, is mean an 8.58%. Then we have DFEN, Defen maybe, we can call him like this, is up, okay, we bought $100, is up $4.23, is mean a 4.23%. Remember, as target of this one will be 40, because I didn't say before, is 40 the target. 40 is a little bit more than 100% of profit, so we just make $100 of it. Then we have Vxlt, we have invested 350, you can see is the more biggest position we have it, and is down $62.64, is minus 17.90%. We still keep it, we're waiting, I still have faith in this company, let's see in the near future what gonna happen. Now, in close position, what is happening this week? This week we closed just $5.31, is means 0.24%, small one. Remember, as account is very smaller. Every penny is counting, so be happy that you make profit. Remember, this month we are up at 7.55%. It means $157.45. And this year we are up an 11.11% in close operation. It means $224.33. It means in 2 months, still don't finish in months, we make €100 a month. So very good. In 1 year time, February till February, we are up a 42.47% in open position, in close position, sorry. In 6 months, we are up at 15.23%. In 3 months, we are up at 23.17%. And in 30 days, we are up at 9.26%. So what we're going to do next in our portfolio? We have some new players in the watch list. And the first one I am interested is CQQQ. It's an ETF. You know, I love the QQQ, TQQQ, SQQQ, QQQ. You know, I always trade in that kind. So we have CQQQ, that is an Invesco China Technology ETF. It's an ETF that follows the China technology. You know, the China start become every time more and more stronger also in technology, and I think that's a great idea to make a little bit of exposition in the Chinese market without need to worry too much about separate companies. The end of last year and beginning of this ETF skyrocket incredibly, really stronger. Now it's in a little bit of a correction, but looks like still going up. I am now in a waiting for looking if I have a good possibility to enter there. The next one I am interested, I talking yesterday about it also. We're talking about the Direction Daily SP Biotech Bull 3X share. This is also an ETF that follow the biotechnology company from the SP 500 in leverage X3. Inside of this one is also Vxlt. Yes, we have also that is the 0.4% of the account there. Also, this one is very interesting. Now it's in a correction, as you can see here. I am just waiting. If we don't broke the 150, he probably will continue to go a little bit down. Then I am hoping to arrive to the zone of 100 for I can buy him. But if we broke the 150, I probably will buy also. The target will be around 200, something like this. For make 25%, 50% will be enough good. If he get big power, then probably the target gonna be 300 for make the 100% profit of my investment. So that was everything for today. If you have some question or maybe some advice, I don't know, you can write me down below. I'm gonna be very happy to answer your question or to listen to your advice. Maybe some company you are interested looks very interesting. If you like this kind of video, just remember to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. The best way you can support the community. If you still are not in Etoro, down in the description you have my link of affiliation. When you enter by that link and start trading for real, I will get one commission. I mean, I will get a payment, not from you, but from Etoro. So that's the way I make money. You don't need to give me nothing. Etoro will pay for that. So thank you one more time and see you next time. Ciao, guys.